Song's The Green Fields of France.
Do you mind if I sit here down by your graveside and watch for a while in the warm summer sun? I've been walking all day and I'm nearly done. See by your gravestone you were only 19 when you joined the Great Fallen in 1916. Well, I hope you died quick, and I hope you died clean. Oh, Willie McBride, was it slow and obscene? Did they beat the drum slowly? Did they play the fife lowly? Sound the death march as they lowered you down? Did the band play the last post and chorus? Pipes play the flowers or the forest? Did you leave a wife or a sweetheart behind? And some loyal heart is your memory enshrined? And though you died back in 1916, to that loyal heart you're forever 19. Or are you a stranger without even a name, forever enshrined behind some old glass pane? In an old photograph, torn and tattered and faded to yellow in a brown leather frame. Did they beat the drum slowly? Did they play the fife lowly? Sound the death march as they lowered you down? Did the band play the last post and chorus? The pipes play the flowers or the forest? She shines down on the green fields of France. The red wind blows gently as the red poppies dance. The trenches now vanished long under the plough. No gas, no barbed wire, no guns firing now. Here in this graveyard it's still no man's land. There's countless white crosses in mute witness stand to man's blind indifference to his fellow man, as a whole generation were butchered and damned. Did they beat the drum slowly? Did they play the fife lowly? Sound the death march as they lowered you down? Did the band play the last post and chorus? The pipes play the flowers or the forest? Can't help but wonder, young Willie McBride, do all those who lie here know why they died? Did you really believe them when they told you the cause? Did you really believe that there this war would end wars. The sorrow, the suffering, the glory, the shame, the killing and dying, it was all done in vain. Oh, well, in my pride it all happened again, and again and again, and again and again. Did they beat the drum slowly? Did they play the fife lowly? Did they sound the death march as they lowered you down? Did the band play the last post and chorus? The pipes play the flowers or the chorus? Did they beat the drum slowly? Did they play the fife lowly? They sound the death march as they lowered you down. Did the band play the last post and chorus? The pipes play the flowers or the chorus?
What a tune.